This is my sister Lorelai and her husband Phil, and my nieces Brian and Leah. They decided to take a camper and drive up to see Wyoming, where I'm currently living in Cheyenne, Wyoming, the capital city, hosting a morning radio show on the Cheyenne News Talk Station. Part 3, river rafting in the Grand Tetons.
Where are you guys from? New York. I'm aboard. And the shoemaker.
Rapid enough for you or too calm?
Looks good.
Okay.
Just south of the Jackson Lakes and south of the actual Grand Teton peaks is West Bank North, where the bridge is. Now, this is not actual rough river rafting, but it is a pretty good pace, and it takes us down south of Jackson to Hoback Junction, and the trip ends just at Star Valley. And of course, this guy was a perfect guide for us. Sandals, big hat, and all.
Perfect. All right, I'm gonna push us in, spin us around. Hopefully.
I get dizzy real easy, so you know, if I throw up, don't worry about it.
I think Carl threw up a little bit.
Carl's already puking.
I thought chickens couldn't puke.
Yeah, they can. And you guys almost forgot him.
Yeah, that's right.
Has he been joining you on all your adventures?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, who would have known we'd come all the way to Wyoming to pick up my brother and he brings a chicken with him.
Well, and then when people look at me with that chicken, they say, you know me. Why would I? Yeah. How do I not own a rubber chicken?
We'll have some good mountain views here in a minute.
Hey, try not to rock it so much, pal. I got a shot here.
The Grand Tetons was actually named by a Frenchman who thought they looked like big female breasts.
Bus driver was telling a funny story the other day that his buddy had a Grand Teton Hunting Club shirt on and he went over to Europe and people were giving him funny looks. Rivers have gotten narrower since they released the wolves, like down to stuff like that. So the elk and the deer used to eat all the vegetation off the sides of the river.
Some kind of a osprey, hawk, something.
Might be a juvenile bald eagle.
Could be.